Pope Francis is expected in Turkey on Friday on his first visit to the predominantly Muslim country. With a war raging on Turkey's doorstep where Islamist militants have seized large swathes of Iraq and Syria and Christian communities are coming under assault, the pontiff has decided not to visit refugees displaced by the violence. I don't know how much time he has to go to visit refugee camps this time, but I know he has opinions about this problem, and he will mention this issue in Ankara or Istanbul without having to interfere in politics. Turkey is now home to 1.6 million refugees. At the Suruç camp, many who fled from the besieged city of Kobani in Syria were still hoping for some recognition of their plight. We need help, either financial or spiritual, so our people will survive this pain. This is not life. I don't know what to say. You can see how people live here, and our children have no school to go to. Diplomatic tensions persist over the situation in Syria. It appears the Pope wishes to tread lightly. It comes after a speech where he criticised the EU's response to migrants risking their lives to cross the Mediterranean, many having fled violence in Syria.